Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to show or hide the bookmarks bar in Opera browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you regularly visit your favorite websites, the bookmarks bar can help you access them quickly, but if you prefer a clean and minimal look, you might want to hide it. Don't worry, you can easily toggle it on or off just in a few seconds. So let's get started. First open Opera browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. In the drop down menu, select settings. In Opera settings, select appearance in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one appearance section. Here you will find show bookmarks bar, toggle on to show it and toggle off to hide it. Once you toggle on, you will see bookmarks bar just below title bar. And to bookmark any website, just visit the website and then click on this one button in the toolbar that says add to bookmarks. Now click on this one done button. That particular website will be bookmarked and you can quickly access by clicking on bookmark sites. That's all about this video. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.